Yes, dear student, good morning. After a long period, we are meeting again. So, Happy New Year to all of you, dear student. May God keep you healthy and wealthy throughout the year. So, now today we are going to learn chapter 9 Sanhati Karya Sadhika. Sanhati means unity. Sanhati means unity. Right? Karya means work. Sadhika means done. The work is completed with unity. या तो the work is completed by remaining in unity. या तो unity completes the work. Unity accomplishes the work. Right, dear student? So now we see the introduction, first paragraph. Hitopadesh is a famous collection of stones in Sanskrit. The writer is Pandit Narayana. It is believed that this work was composed in the 9th century AD. In this work, there are many fables which have a moral. One of those stories is presented here. Okay, dear student. So, what is there? This Sanhati Karya Sadhika is taken from Hitopadesh, and the writer of Hitopadesh is Pandit Narayana. Right? Now we go to the second paragraph. In this story, the importance of organization is described, but the background has been presented in a very different manner. If we are constantly suspicious, we may not be able to get anything to eat or drink. Hence, one should not be suspicious and get into one's work with courage. When one begins to do this, if problems are created due to qualities like greed, then it is organization which helps. This is the moral that can be got from this story. Right, dear student? क्या है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मीन्स यूनिटी. राइट? इज डिस्क्राइब हियर कि कुछ भी होता है, खाने का होता है, कुछ भी होता है, चलो हम उसमें गए. राइट? मगर उसमें कोई डिफ़िकल्टी आई तो हाउ कैन वी ओवरकम इट? तो बाय रिमेनिंग इन यूनिटी, बाय रिमेनिंग इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वी कैन ओवरकम दैट डिफ़िकल्टी. ऐसी बात उसमें कही है. Third paragraph. If the animal kingdom can live in an organization, human society too should try to live in a similar manner. This is also suggested in this story. As you look at the story from the point of values, also remember that you have to learn the various past tense forms of the verbs used in this lesson. Right? देखो, if the animals are able to live in unity, in an organization, means in an unity, then humans should also learn that they should live also in unity, in organization. Okay? If they are united, तो आपको वो कहावत पता होगी, है ना? United we stand, divided we fall. So either you might have heard the story which is described here, but here it is described in a very nice way. So now we go to the story. Right? चलो, paragraph 1. अस्ति गोदावरी तीरे विशालः शाल्मली तरुः. अस्ति, अस्ति means is या तो was. Okay. Godavari tire, tire means at the bank of Godavari. Vishala means big. Shalmali taruhu means, Shalmali means silk cotton tree. Okay, Shalmali Taru means silk cotton tree. Right? चलो पहली लाइन का ट्रांसलेशन. There was a large cotton tree on the bank of the river Godavari. Right? Once again. अस्ति गोदावरी तीरे विशालः साल्मली तरुः. तो there was a large silk cotton tree on the bank of Godavari. विविधेभ्यः देशेभ्यः समागताः बहवः विहगाः तत्र रात्रौ निवसन्ति. राइट. विविधेभ्यः मीन्स वेरियस, देशेभ्यः मीन्स कंट्रीज, समागताः, समागताः मीन्स कम, बहवः मीन्स मैनी, विहगाः मीन्स बर्ड्स, तत्र मीन्स देर, रात्रौ मीन्स नाइट, निवसन्ति मीन्स लिव्ड. Right? Write down the translation. Many birds from various countries, many birds from various countries used to stay there, THERE, there at night. तेषु लघुपतकनामा वायसः अपि एकतमः अस्ति. तेषु मीन्स among. लघुपतनक is the name of a crow. Okay, is the name of a crow. Vayasah means crow. Api also. Ekatamah asti. Ekatama means one. Right? Write down. Among them, there was a crow. Among them, there was a crow named, NAMED, named Laghupatanaka. Right? Laghu का L capital लिखना dear student, because it is the name of a bird. Right? There was a crow. Among them, there was a crow named Laghupatanaka. LAGHUPATANAK. Right? Okay, dear student. अथ कदाचित् प्रभातकाले सवायसः कृतान्तं द्वितीयम् इव अटन्तं व्याघ्रम् अपश्यत्. अथ one day. Okay? Kadachit, prabhatakale, in the morning. Sa, he, vayasa means crow. Krutantam dvitiyam eva. Krutantam means like the Yamraj. Okay. Dvitiyam eva atantam. Atantam means moving. Vyagam apashyat. Vyagam here means hunter. Okay. Vyagam here means hunter. Apashyat means saw. One day, the crow saw SAW, a hunter like Yamraj, YAMRAJ, like Yamraj, moving about in the morning. Moving about in the morning. Full stop. तम अवलोक्य सः अचिन्तयत्, अद्य प्रातरेव अनिष्टदर्शनं सञ्जातं, न जाने तत् किम् अभिप्रेतं दर्शयिष्यति इति विचिन्त्य स व्याकुलः सञ्जातः। क्या हुआ बच्चों, उसको तम अवलोक्य, ऑन सीइंग हिम, तम मीन्स वो हंटर को, ओके, तम अवलोक्य ऑन सीइंग हिम, सह अचिंतयत, ही थॉट, अद्य प्रातरेव, अद्य मीन्स टुडे, प्रातरेव मीन्स इन द मॉर्निंग, अनिष्ट दर्शनम, अनिष्ट दर्शनम मीन्स द साइट ऑफ अ बैड थिंग, ओके, न जाने, डोंट नो, किम अभिप्रेतम दर्शयति, किम अभिप्रेतम, अभिप्रेतम मीन्स व्हाट डज इट शो, व्हाट अनडिजायरेबल थिंग इट शोज, राइट, राइट डाउन, तम अवलोक्य, ऑन सीइंग हिम, ऑन सीइंग हिम, he thought, he thought, comma into inverted comma, अद्य प्रातरेव अनिष्टदर्शनं सञ्जातम्, अद्य टुडे in the morning there is the vision of, there is the vision of bad thing, comma, I don't know, I don't know what undesirable, what undesirable it will show, it will show, inverted comma over, इति विचिन्त्य स व्याकुलः सञ्जातः, thinking in this way, thinking in this way, he became very much anxious, 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 right dear student, this is the first paragraph. Now we move to second paragraph, right dear student. So I hope first paragraph is clear. अथ तेन व्याघेन तंडुलकणान् विकीर्य जालम विस्तीर्णम, राइट, उसने वो हंटर को देखा, इसलिए उसने सोचा कि आज क्या बुरा होने वाला है, कौवे ने ऐसा सोचा, और बाद में क्या किया, ये व्याघेन, व्याघेन मीन्स हंटर ने क्या किया, तंडुलकणान, तंडुलकणान मीन्स राइस, राइट, राइस पीसेस, विकीर्य, विकीर्य मीन्स उसने क्या किया, स्कैटर्ड, जालम विस्तीर्णम, और जाल जो थी वो फैला दी, राइट, अथ तेन व्याघेन तंडुलकणान् विकीर्य जालम विस्तीर्णम, then the hunter spread the net by scattering the rice grain, the rice pieces, rice pieces ही लिखो, rice pieces on it, on it, right, उसने जाल फैला दी और उस पर राइस के पीसेस जो थे वो डाल दिए, यानी कि कणकी जैसा कुछ होगा वो डाल दिया, राइट, स च वृक्षस्य पृष्ठभागे प्रच्छन्नो भूत्वा अतिष्ठत्, स च ही वृक्षस्य, ट्री, पृष्ठभागे मीन्स बिहाइंड, प्रच्छन्नो भूत्वा मीन्स हाइडिंग हिमसेल्फ, अतिष्ठत् मीन्स स्टूड, राइट, और बाद में ये जाल बिछा के वो एक ट्री था उसके पीछे जाके छुप गया. राइट. Then he stood behind a tree. Then he stood behind a tree by hiding himself. By hiding himself. तस्मिन्नेव काले चित्रग्रीवनामः कपोतराजः परिवारेण सह गगने व्यसर्पत्. और उसी वक्त वो ऐसे पीछे छुपा हुआ था. तब चित्रग्रीव नाम कपोतराज मीन्स द किंग ऑफ कपोत यानी पीजियन. उसका नाम था चित्रग्रीव. वो अपने परिवार के साथ अपनी फैमिली के साथ वहाँ से जा रहा था. तस्मिन् एव काले मीन्स एट दैट टाइम. At that time, the king of Pigeon, Kapotaraja means the king of Pigeon, named N-A-M-E-D, named Chitragriva. C capital लिखना डियर स्टूडेंट. CHITRAGRIVA. Chitragriva was going with his family flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. भूमौ विकीर्णान् तण्डुलकणान् दृष्ट्वा कपोताः लुब्धाः अभवन्. भूमौ विकीर्णात्. विकीर्णात् मीन्स स्प्रेड ऑन द फ्लोर या तो अर्थ. राइट. ग्राउंड. तण्डुलकणान् दृष्ट्वा सीइंग द राइस पीसेस. कपोताः लुब्धाः अभवन्. अभवन् लुब्धाः मीन्स ग्रीडी. ओके. उन्होंने देखा कि वो राइस पीसीस है इधर. तो उनको भूख लगी थी उड़ते उड़ते. तो उन लोगों को खाना चाहते थे. राइट डाउन. Having seen the rice pieces spread on the ground, the pigeons were greedy. ततः स कपोतराजः तण्डुलकणलुब्धान् कपोतान् अकथयत्. राइट. ततः देन स कपोतराजः दैट किंग ऑफ पिजियन तण्डुलकणान् लुब्धान् जो वो राइस पीसेस को देख के ग्रीडी हुए थे ना, वो कपोतान मीन्स पिजियंस को कहा. वो कपोतराज ने देखा कि ये सब ग्रीडी हो गए हैं खाने के लिए, इसलिए उन्होंने कहा. ततः देन द किंग ऑफ पिजियंस said to the pigeons who were greedy for the rice pieces. कॉमा इंटू इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. क्या कहा वो किंग ऑफ पिजियन ने? कुतः अत्र निर्जने वने तण्डुलकणान् संभवः. उसने कहा कि ये तो निर्जन वन है, जंगल है, यहाँ राइस पीसेस कैसे आएंगे. राइट. कुतः अत्र वेर हियर. निर्जने इन लोनली. वने मीन्स फॉरेस्ट. तण्डुलकणान् संभवः. राइट. पॉसिबल. हाउ कैन the rice pieces How can the rice species be available in this lonely forest? In this lonely forest. तद्निरूप्यतां तावत्. Nirupatam means think. So think first. कि ये तो lonely forest है, यहाँ कैसे आएंगे, right? भद्रम इदम न पश्यामि. I do not see any good thing in it. I do not see any good thing in it. अनेन तण्डुलकणलोभेन अस्माकं महतम अनिष्टम अपि भवितुम् अर्हति. और क्या कहा, ये जो आप ग्रीडी हो रहे हो ना, उससे हमारा बहुत ही खराब होगा. अनेन, by it, the greed of this rice species, by it, the greed of the rice species, there will be a great misfortune of us. There will be a great misfortune of us. अतः सर्वथा अविचारितं कर्मं न कर्तव्यम्. Right? अतः, therefore, सर्वथा in every way, अविचारितं means without thinking, कर्मम action, न कर्तव्यम should not be done. Right? Therefore, the action should not be done. The action should not be done without thinking. Without thinking. Right, dear student? So we stop here and we will go further in the second video. Till then, goodbye.